Hey guys. So this is a tutorial on how to t do alginate impressions and Yellowstone pour-ups. Yeah. Featuring Faye and also Annie. Be showing how to mix alginate. So you want 2 scoops of alginate. Perfect amount on the calyx scoop. You want to get your water. What are you doing? Water. Let's get our water. Make sure you use cold water so you have more time to mix. And depending on the room temperature, that will also affect how fast it sets. You usually get it to the bottom line. That's a good bit. Tutorial. Yeah. Pour it all in. And just mix it around. And scoop it all up. Mix again. That's a good mix.
That's alright. Don't worry about it. All good.
Oh, yummy.
There's a gap that you need to pull your lip over. Yeah.
Yummy.
Did you just do the 0.5 with the weight? That's so dude. That's so dude.
Yummy. Yummy. That's good. We've got the softness.
Do you want to see the patient in the elbow?
Yeah? I'll do the split. I can take the bite wings. Maybe not the PA. Alright, fellas. Time to do a Yellowstone pour-off. Very good. I'm so talented at this. It's not like I've been working here 3 years and I don't know how to do a Yellowstone pour-off. Take a big scoop. You want to get a big scoop of Yellowstone. Boom. And then we want again cold water. We want to go slow, because we can't really get a good mix. So first one, a bit more water. Start mixing. You're good. And then, why aren't you talking?
Oh, you're talking to me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do know yogurt.
This is awkward
What
when you don't talk back.
I mean, aren't I technically not allowed to talk back?
Huh?
Because I'm the cameraman.
No. You're allowed to talk.
Okay, sure. Rain is calling you.
Talk, Rain. He's dumb and ugly.
That looks too
He's actually
thick.
so dumb and ugly. Huh?
That looks too thick.
He was like, to make sure the consistency is like this.
It's good. You're out of your mind.
But the way you do it, it's going to set, I reckon.
You're lying. You want more? You want it to be more? I'm getting slandered in my own video. Fuck off. It's okay, she's the boss. Your first increment needs to be very small. This is a bit much, but that's okay.
Vibrator.
And just what the? Okay, Annie was right. I should put more. Fuck. Listen, I'm not like. I can mix alginate, and that's about it. Fuck.
But why'd you put it there and not like in the thing?
This is fucking dumb and ugly, man. Turn this shit off. Vibrating.
What the fuck?
You brought that up.
No, but when I say it, it's like
What?
and then when
what?
you say it, it's like what the
Like what?
hell, man?
This ain't my instrument, Okay. Why am I doing a tutorial on this shit? I don't even know how to do this properly.
Aren't these?
It's fine. It's fine.
Oh,
It's not. It's fine.
okay, sure.
Brilliant tutorial. Great work
Sure.
for me.
Let me take those.
No air bubbles. So good. Okay.
Nice.
Fucking thumb hurts from vibrating. These motherfuckers keep telling me different things, Some motherfuckers be like, oh yeah, add some powder. So that's what I usually do. But then yesterday, they told me not to add powder and just let the base set a bit. So we can mix it. So the more you mix, the faster it sets. So we're gonna mix it a little bit, and then okay. So I'm not adding powder for the base, like Megan said.
You're gonna wait a while then.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So shouldn't I just add powder?
Yeah.
See, everyone tells me different things.
No, but that's because everyone does it differently.
I know, it's terrible.
So as long as you do it well, just do it your way.
I don't do it well, Annie.
He's
How
not
did
wrong.
you go? Oh, I'll just watch the video that you filmed.
Yeah.
Like,
You can watch it on my YouTube. At Funny Finny. Isn't that right, Annie? You're a subscriber.
Okay. Just.
Now
You
we
should
make
just
base
literally
and we
TikTok.
place. And we place.
is the face sticking off?
Should. It's alright. It could be a little bit thicker.
Could be
but-
thicker. Usually my stuff sets too quick. Because I work too slow.
Yeah, because see how it's spilling?
That's
Mm.
alright.
So yeah, it could
No,
be
no, no,
slightly
wait.
thicker.
You have to pretend it's good for the video.
Okay. I think it's pretty obvious though.
No. Say it's good. Say it's good.
It's alright.
Say it's good. Very good. Great job, me. Okay, now we clean it up, you know? Use your fingers to clean it up. So good.
That was. What was that? We literally ruined all your work in like 2 seconds. Now there is no base.
So what you should have done there is waited for it to settle a little bit before shoving it down like a
No,
fucking
but if you
idiot.
didn't flip it so hard, the
What do you mean?
the speed of that made it loose. If you just tipped it over, you would have been fine.
This game sucks.
What the hell?
This game fucking sucks.
Also, you have Yellowstone on your face.
I just have Yellowstone on my face.
Oh god.
Hey guys. So now we're taking it out because it's so good. And it'll come out really easily. It's gonna be like a 10-minute video of me trying to get it out. So let's just get the alginate off and around the borders and all the margins. Okay, so we're gonna break off at where the margin is. Look how well I am doing this. It's almost out. See that? Why aren't you replying?
Will you still need them?
You know, you were so quick to say I'm bad, and
It's
then
not out yet.
you were so quick to say I'm terrible, and then look how quick that was. See, beautiful. Pretty good, I would say. Air bubble here. We shove that out, and then that one that's out now. Beautiful. Can you say some words of affirmation?
Yeah, it's alright.
You're done. We can